In today's video, I'm going to teach you key advantages of Notion's recurring tasks. Recurring tasks in Notion are a simple way to automate repetitive work so you don't have to recreate the same to-dos over and over. Think daily check-ins, weekly reports, or monthly reviews. Instead of manually making a new entry each time, you set the schedule once, and Notion generates the next task for you. This frees up your attention for higher impact work and keeps your system humming without constant maintenance. One of the biggest benefits is automated task generation. When a task repeats on a predictable cadence, Notion can handle creating the next entry so your workflow stays consistent. That consistency is the second advantage. By having responsibilities appear on schedule, deadlines don't slip through the cracks, and your routine becomes easier to trust day after day. Another major perk is time savings. Eliminating the need to duplicate tasks manually reduces busy work, helps you stay focused, and cuts down on decision fatigue. Over time, that adds up to real productivity gains. Recurring tasks also enable automatic progress tracking. When you complete a recurring item, you can have Notion duplicate it and archive the finished version. This creates a clear historical record of what was done and when. It's perfect for audits, performance reviews, or simply reflecting on your streaks and trends. They're a powerful tool for organization as well. Whether you're tracking habits, logging daily stand-ups, or generating weekly meeting minutes, recurring tasks keep the structure consistent. Standardized templates, properties, and tags make it easy to compare entries and roll up results across weeks or months. Planning becomes smoother, too. You can connect your tasks to other databases, like projects or teams, so context is always attached. Visualize upcoming items on a Notion calendar to see what's coming, and, if you sync with tools like Google Calendar, you can review your recurring tasks alongside all your other events. That way, you'll spot conflicts early and plan proactively. Finally, recurrence is customizable. Choose the frequency that fits your workflow, daily, weekly, or monthly, and decide when the schedule should start. Set the pattern once, and let Notion take care of the rest. To recap, recurring tasks reduce manual effort, enforce consistency, document progress automatically, improve organization, and enhance planning, all while giving you full control over how often items repeat. Set them up once, and watch your system run more smoothly with less effort.